Guard is the next generation wireless security camera from Defender. And we didn't just want to tell you about it. No, we shot the whole ad with it. So you can see for yourself why Defender Guard is the most advanced 2K Wi-Fi camera we've ever released. What powers this camera? 4 megapixels. That's 4 million pixels, allowing you to zoom in 16 times to things like license plates, faces, that guy who's been staring at me. Once you've experienced 2K, there's no way you're ever going back to HD. Just take a look at some 1080p footage from the other guys versus the 2K footage from our Defender Guard. Here's the other guys, and here's us. And Defender Guard not only looks good in daytime, it looks good at night too. Here's the other guys, and here's us. Defender Guard comes with all of the bells and whistles that you'd expect. 128-bit encryption, a quick and simple installation, motion alerts, audio recording, a tamper-proof design, plus it works in the rain. We are done with monthly fees. Unlike the other guys, once you get your Defender Guard, you won't have to pay a penny to use it. Plus, you can expand your local storage to up to 128 gigabytes by replacing the SD card right here. And with the Defender Guard app, you're never more than 1, 2, 3, 4 seconds away from checking in on what matters most. So here's to a new peace of mind. One with a 123-degree wide-angle lens to capture the good, the bad, and everything in between.